Hey, are you searching for a good quality pocket knife? But it is very difficult for you to which one is best among these pocket knives. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to the conclusion about which pocket knife is the best for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Benchmade 535 Bugout Knife. Due to its long-standing reputation for providing its customers with high-quality, foldable blades, Benchmade, based in Oregon, is credited as being a modern folding knife pioneer. The Bugout 535, one of its iconic pocket knives, receives our overall top grade for striking the right balance between strength and weight, as well as for having a blade that is a little larger than typical, and being extremely versatile. The blade size is important since the 3.24 inches length of steel enables it to do larger tasks without losing portability. Its textured handle, thumb stud, and metal clip, which can be placed in 2 separate positions, add ease to its workmanlike appearance. The Bugout 535 isn't all business, though, despite its straightforward design. You can go as far as to modify the entire design, ensuring that it satisfies your demands and aesthetic preferences. It is available in a plethora of colors and materials. Number 2. Kershaw Leek Pocket Knife Sandvik 14C28N Blade. Stunning, straightforward, elegant. These are just a few of the numerous adjectives we would use to characterize the Kershaw Leek, a blade that many experts believe to be among the best ever made. If you're wondering what makes this blade so unique, keep in mind that it's affordable. Only 3 ounces in weight, measures 4 inches when closed, and has excellent ergonomics. The materials constitute a good price to performance ratio, even though the handle can get a touch slippery when wet. The knife also slides in and out of your pocket with ease. The Kershaw Speed Safe system, which opens the knife when you push on the thumb stud or pull on the flipper, makes it exceedingly simple to deploy the blade. You may anticipate to find this modest knife in a range of colors, styles, and materials because it is one of the best-selling pocket knives of all time. One of these should suit your demands. Number 3. Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter Knife. The elegant design of the Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter immediately catches your eye. And it's not vintage either. The company has been producing this model since 1972, and its simple, wood and brass design is still in style today just as it was 50 years ago. Due to the blade's reinforced stainless steel construction and strong locking mechanism, it can perform field dressing tasks usually performed by fixed blades. Of all, the 110 can also quickly skin a small game bird and chop an apple, so you'll find lots of uses for it outside of hunting. While it fits easily in your pocket, a leather sheath that is included gives you the option of fastening it to a belt for rapid deployment. Although it lacks the versatility of a multi-tool, this one will do if you need a knife specifically for hunting or to go with a Swiss Army or Leatherman. Number 4. Spyderco Paramilitary 2 Signature Folding Knife. The Paramilitary 2, a more compact version of Spyderco's tactical line, serves as a survival, self-defense, and daily pocket knife. Its 3.5 inches blade is a touch longer than the steel used in most folding knives, but the longer blade, which is solidly grounded by a stronger compression lock, gives it a robust, sturdy feel that is further bolstered by its non-slip, textured grip. One-handed deployment, a lanyard hold, and a clip are further conveniences and customizations offered by the Paramilitary 2. It's comforting to know that it would also be useful if you were conducting covert operations over enemy lines, even though you'll probably use it more for opening difficult boxes or chopping vegetables. Number 5. Victorinox Fisherman. Victorinox's famed Swiss Army knives have gotten a bit superfluous. We're not sure its cheese master, featuring an actual fondue fork, needs to be in the pocket of even the biggest fromage fan. That said, this model, the more practical Fisherman, is a clear reminder of why outdoorsmen first fell in love with these iconic red multi-tools. In addition to several useful, angler-focused inclusions such as a hook disgorger, scissors, and fish scaler, it boasts large and small blades, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and tweezers. That makes it a great choice even if you're not trying to catch dinner. It also includes a ring so you can conveniently attach it to your keys. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.